Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by connecting the phone to a stable wall outlet using the original Vivo Y11 charger and the good cable. This matters because current and cable resistance determine charge rate. Once connected, enable airplane mode to stop radios from drawing power and close background apps so the battery receives the full current. Make sure the screen is off. A sleeping display prevents needless drain. Start now, don't waste time toggling settings you won't use. Once the phone is connected, the quickest next step is to power it off. Charging while off often draws higher effective current and lowers heat buildup. Make sure the adapter is directly plugged into a wall outlet, not a multi-port USB hub, because hubs can limit current. Also remove any thick case so heat dissipates. Heat forces the phone to throttle charging speed. Keep the environment moderate. Charging in hot conditions slows the process. So aim for a cool vent. To finish, wait until the battery reaches around 80% for the best balance of speed and longevity, then unplug. Topping to 100% is slower and stresses the battery. If you see slow or inconsistent charging, try a known good original certified cable and adapter to isolate the fault, and check the phone's port for lint or bent pins. If charging still fails, reboot the phone and try another outlet. If problems persist, replace the charger. Often that's the single point of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.